Okay, next one up, Suzuki SV650 Suzuki. This is a new client, has just ridden 80 miles from Hampshire to get to me. This is his commuter bike, so she's looking a little sad for herself. But, he wanted to make sure he gets it properly minted and protected for the winter ahead. Exhaust is looking a little sad for itself. Like I said, this is his commuter bike, so it is to be expected. Let's get it minted up. We're gonna get these wheels all cleaned up. They are manky. Good old white. I do love white wheels, but they are the worst to keep clean. Oh, nice to see a well-lubed chain. Well done, young man. Let's see if we can get some of this grease off of here. We'll get these wheels all minted up. He's gonna go with the full works package, so we're gonna do a machine polish on all this bodywork, get some ceramic on it, get some XCP corrosion protection on all this motor. Banjo bolts, get it all protected for the winter ahead. Get these forks, you can see they just start pitting, so we'll get some XCP on those, get all this polished up, get it looking like it should. Shame it's a bit wet out today, but nevertheless, let's work some chop magic. There you go, 2 hours and 30 minutes on the dot. This Suzuki SV650 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, absolutely gleaming. As you saw earlier, we did a full wash, degreased, decontaminated, Snowfoam safe wash, polished up all those discs. Everything's been minted. Look at that, exhaust has come up as new. Everything's been covered in XCP afterwards. Extra XCP on all your banjo bolts, your sprocket nuts, anything I think might corrode has had a nice little coating of XCP, all misted up on your forks because these do pit. All your banjo bolts, pinch bolts, everything's had a nice extra coating. Look at that exhaust as new. We then got down to some paint polishing. Yeah, pretty good job on this. It was, I think, a Dream Machine paint job. He said it's not original anyway. We did a 2-stage machine polish, making sure to remove any imperfections. I then treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro 5-year ceramic. Look at the gloss on it, absolutely gleaming. As it's got white wheels, and as you saw earlier, they were filthy. I prepped these wheels, gave them a bit of a polish, and then we treated those to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro as well. So that should help to keep those clean, keep all that muck off, etc. So yeah, 2 hours, 30 minutes. This bike has been trotted.